Life moves fast, and if you're anything like me, you are juggling a million things. Family, work, trying to be healthy, and figuring out how to make ends meet. I wanted something more energy, more wellness for my family, and yes, a little more money each month. Hey, you hungry? You want a snack? Come on. When I found doTERRA's foundational wellness bundle, I realized it wasn't about selling or pushing products. It was about sharing something that had truly made a difference in my life. I started by introducing the bundle to 4 close friends. They experienced the benefits, and soon 3 of them were sharing it with their own circles. Of course, I kept sharing, and this simple ripple effect turned everyday wellness into an extra $500 a month. The foundational wellness bundle makes this business easy. It's a simple routine backed by science with products that actually work. It takes just 2 minutes a day, and because people love the way they feel, they keep ordering every month. That means repeat customers and predictable income for me. Would you mind sharing some of your cheese? Sharing doTERRA doesn't need to take all your time. I get this into my life in little moments that already exist. Whether it's texting a friend, sharing my morning wellness routine on social media, or inviting someone to try a sample, I get to work when and how I want. Starting something new can feel overwhelming. I get it. But with doTERRA, you're never alone. From the very beginning, I had a community of women just like me, cheering me on and showing me exactly what to do next. Step-by-step guidance, encouragement, and real people who want to see you succeed. It makes all the difference. Come on, sweetie, let's go get in the car. What would an extra $500 a month mean for you? More breathing room in your budget? More memories with your family? More flexibility to say yes to the things that matter? Come on, sweetie. Hi. Okay, I'll be right in. The best part? I'm not just earning. I'm making a real impact, helping my friends, my family, and my community feel better every day. Your wellness journey can be your business. The path to earning $500 a month starts right here, right now. It all begins with one simple step: getting your own foundational wellness bundle and sharing it with people you care about.